Hello everyone, my name is Jenna and I'd like to welcome you to the University of Niagara Falls, Canada Managed Residences at Lundy's Lane. Situated on the historic Lundy's Lane, our residence is conveniently located in the city's dining, shopping, and entertainment district. On a transit route, you can easily make your way to campus when it's time for class, and in your downtime, you'll be within walking distance to restaurants, cafes, grocery stores, and more. If you are looking to get a view of the city center of Niagara Falls, our residence on Lundy's Lane is the right choice for you. We'll start the tour inside our main lobby. Here, you can connect with friends or attend weekly residence events. Through these doors is the Lundy's Lounge, where you can have a movie or gather as a group. Also, just off the lobby is our study room. Our residence office is also located in this building. You can pop by to talk with UNF residence staff. After-hours help is always available to you in case of an emergency. Just down the hall is the communal kitchen with an oven and large fridge, providing a space for students to cook group meals. Continuing along in the next room, you'll find the on-site pay-to-use laundry facilities. Now, let's look at the suites. This is one of our double occupancy suites. It comes fully furnished with a bed, desk, wardrobe, and nightstand for each person. In your room, there's a kitchenette that includes an apartment-sized fridge, microwave, hot plate stove, and a sink. There's also a 3-piece bathroom. You'll have Wi-Fi in your room, and all your utilities are included in the residence price. Want your own space? There are a limited number of single occupancy suites that come with a kitchenette and bathroom. There are benefits to living in residence. From weekly social events to leadership opportunities on the Resident Student Council, you can make the most out of living here. All of our suites are available on a first-come, first-served basis. If you're interested in reserving your space, please email housing@unfc.ca.